What's up guys, welcome back to Honey Money SG. My name is Christopher and in this channel we are all about building financial knowledge, teach money saving hacks and also help you lead a fulfilling quality of life. So you must have noticed that today I'm in a totally different setting. As you can tell from the intro, I'm currently right now in the Fullerton Hotel Singapore doing my one night staycation using my SRV voucher. So if you haven't checked out that video on how to redeem your Singapore Rediscovers voucher, check out this link over here and it can help you book a 5-star luxury hotel at a very cheap rate. With that said, let me start with a quick review of my Fullerton Hotel staycation right now. Okay, just some facts about this hotel. This hotel is actually located within the Fullerton Bay near the Raffles Place MRT and it's near to a tourist destination which is the Merlion Park. So as I was entering the hotel, you can notice that this hotel has very colonial designs, probably have a lot of British inspired architectural ideas. And as you enter the hotel, you will feel that there is such a luxurious atmosphere surrounding it. Like somehow people who stay in this hotel are like a higher class of people. Check-in experience during a weekday was actually very smooth. They will give you a form to fill up. Basically, it's more of a health declaration form, and then the hotel staff will proceed with all the necessary arrangements. So for what I got here, I actually paid $177, out of which $100 is from the Singapore Rediscovers voucher. So $77 is paid out of my pocket. And the original package was actually a premier courtyard room, which I got a complimentary upgrade to the heritage room. So you can see that it is much larger here. So as you walk along the corridor, you noted that all the floors are actually carpeted, so you won't hear any loud walking noises. And it provides a very calm atmosphere. Okay, moving on, let's go to the door opening of this hotel room. So as you can see, I actually got a corner room. Okay, so the heritage room is really spacious. You do have a small flight of steps leading down to the king size bed. We have a 55-inch TV here in the room, so it's fairly large. And then more importantly, let's go on to the bathroom. So in the bathroom, you'll see that there are actually 3 sections of this bathroom. One for the water closet, which is this room. And you have an automatic water closet that opens by itself. Next is the bathtub and the wash basin area. So single tap basin with all your amenities and also a single adult size bathtub. For the standing shower, we have a rain shower. So if you like rain shower, you don't want to miss this out. And also a stool for people who need more convenience during their shower. Okay, coming back to the main room. Yeah, so moving on to the wardrobe. We have all your usual stuff, the iron, the ironing board, bathrobe, the bathroom slippers. And then over here at the next wardrobe, we have the safe. So I'll get a partial view of the Marina Bay and the CBD. Let's take a look at the work desk. So this is a decent sized work desk, so you can do your work here or do a video recording just like me. And then this chair itself seems to be made of premium leather and it's rather sturdy as well. And then for the bed wise, we actually have a king size bed here that can comfortably fit 3 adults. I do have some balloons there because it's a birthday decoration with compliments from the hotel and also a chocolate cake. And let's go on to the mini bar counter. So all of these items are actually chargeable. They have the prices written there. The only complimentary items are the tea bags and the coffee capsules. And in the small fridge, we have all the beverages, soda, which are chargeable to your room of course. And there's even a hot water kettle if you want to boil hot water. Next up, let me show you some footage of the swimming pool and the gym. Okay, so this is my very short review of the Fullerton Hotel staycation, and I hope that you have enjoyed it. Do like this video and share it to your friends and family, and also subscribe to the channel so that you can have more content like this. My name is Christopher, this is Honey Money SG, steering young adults to financial independence.